Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to learn that how we can make use of UI container view to display same UI all over the screen of your project. If there is a requirement that you want the same UI component or the same UI all over the screen, like if you want the tab bar at the bottom of your screen and this tab bar is want to be available for all over the screen, then we can do that by using UI container view component. And now we will going to see that how we can make use and how we can add that container view on our view controller. So in on screen you can see that there is a demo project I have created for this. So created one demo project at your system. Now we will going to see. So click on the storyboard. So this is my interface builder, and I will going to create a two view controller that will going to make will that will going to use or we can say that there will be one container view that will be shown on these two different view controller. So we will create one view controller. Now add another view controller here. So here it is. Okay, now add container view to both controllers. Okay, so I dragged it and dropped. Now I'm going to stretch it to the edge, right edge of the screen view controller. Okay, so now copy and paste on the another view controller. Okay, so here it is. Now what we will do, we as we add container view on the other view controller, you may have noticed that there is another view controller added here. So this view controller will be going to be available in this container view when we execute or when we run our code. So now I want that this scene available for this view controller also. To do that, click on this container view and right click here and drag it on this controller, and now you need to embed it. Okay, so here it is. Now we will see that how we can design the scene or a UI for this container view. So it is the as simple as we add component on these view controller. This is the same view controller. The same concept is applied on this view controller. So now we're going to add three button on this container to create a custom tab for us. So drag it. So here it is, and make its size up to 125 width. Sorry, not width. It's not width. We are changing x-axis. Now here it is. Just drag, change its width to 125 and drag it to the bottom edge. Now we will change the background color for this. So first of all, we will will set its title bar, its title. Now it will as a red, so it's red color. No, it's in text, then we will be going to set it as white color, and the background color will be red for this. Okay, so here it is. Now in the similar way, we're going to add two more button here. Okay, so here it is. Now we're going to change its background color. We will going to make blue background for this, or we can add this color. So here it is, and now and for this we're going to set a green color. So this is the simple UI for our container view. Now we will going to add one button here so that we can navigate on this view controller. Okay, So we can say that uh, view controller 1. Okay, okay, so here it is. Okay, and now copy and paste it on the other controller. Okay, so here it is. Now what we'll do, we'll change is, okay, so change its title, so it's title should be 2. And now we're going to change the color for this background, so that we will be come to know that this is the another view controller. Okay, so it will be easy for us to identify. Okay, so we're going to change its color. Let's make it this and change its text color to white. Okay, now the similar thing could be done for this. Okay, so go and select view from here, so go and make a color, like we can make it black color for this. Okay, so go and set white color for this. Now what we'll do, we will right click here and then drag on the another, so that it will navigate on the another screen. If we click on view controller 1 button, then it will navigate to, or it will present the other view controller. In this way it will navigate to other screen, and then we'll going to see that the container will be same for both the view controller. So this is how our UI is. We are done with the UI part. Now what we'll do, we will going to set the view controller. Okay, so it's a demo, so we're going to add only one controller here, one uh, Swift class here for a demo. You can add more Swift classes, so you can make separate Swift classes for all the view controller here, so you can play around with. And in the later videos, or in the next videos, uh, we will going to see that how we can make use of its parent controller, how we can make changes from, we can change from container view to the parent controller, how we can pass data from child to parent or parent to child. So, so here it is. Now we're going to assistant editor, and here we're going to add some behavior or some action to our button. So the same actions will be available for both the controllers, controller 1 and controller 2. So here we'll write as red button pressed, okay, and select action from here and then button, okay, then connect here. So here it is. Now add the IB action for red. So if we forgot to change the title of this button. So here we will need to add green. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, then select action from here, then select IB button or UIB button, then connect it. And the similar we're going to add for this also. So select action first, then select UI button, then add blue button pressed, and then connect. Okay, so let's change the title for this, set blue for this, and then for this green color. So we change the title for this video. Now it's look good. Now what we will do, we will write a code. If we click on the red button, then the background for the red button will going to change uh, to white, and the button title is going to change to the red color. So it will, the color will going to swap between the title color and the background color of the button. So we will do that. Now we will first of all will check the background color whether it is white or not. Okay, so if it is white, then we're going to make change background color. Then the background color would be the sender title color. Okay, so here it is, and we're going to set title color for this white color, UI color dot white, and then for this we're going to change dot normal. So it's okay, so here it is. So for normal button, so this is it, and else here, so here we will set the title color, the same title color here, and this title color would be the background color. Okay, so here we are swapping the colors. So here it is. Now say expected after. Okay, we need to set, just copy it, need to set its color, we forget to change that. Okay, so here it is. So we're going to set its title color by this code. In the similar way we'll okay, so here it is white. The similar way we're going to set title color, and the title color should be the background color. Okay, and then okay, yeah, so here it is, and here the background would be the white color. So here it is, the white color. So sorry, so here, so the set title color, we okay, title color for dot normal. So now we're going to okay, background for, and we will going to make the background color white here. So UI color dot white color. So here it is. Now we're going to copy this code and place it in all the, for all the IB actions. So here it is. Now we're going to run and see that how it looks like. So our code is executed. Let's see what happens. So here it is. This is how our code will look like. Now we're going to click on this. Okay, so you can see here that its background color is changing and the title color is also changing. So for the similar one, for green one, and for the blue one, and if we click it on this, then you can see that the same container view is being used by this view controller too, and the functionality is remain same for the all. So in this way you can add it, but before this we're going to set the alignment, or the UI is not in proper shape, so we're going to make changes. We're going to okay, so because the constraints are not set properly, so to do that going to go and then add constraints here. So we're going to, okay, and then and make it, going to make equal heights and width. Okay, so here it is. Now we'll see that. Okay, so we added constraints to this. Now we're going to rebuild this code and see that whether the UI issue is resolved or not. So here it is. Now it's look good. Okay, so here it is. So in this way you can make use of container view.